So we just got home. We went to the botanical gardens today. It was kind of raining, but we had a blast. So yeah, here's some clips and pictures. You can hear Miles screaming in the background because he just got out of the bath. But yeah, here's some pictures and videos of today.
Little man's gotten so good at walking. Yes, you have.
I'm sorry. Okay.
He's like, I want to walk on my own, thank you. Oh my God.
No, watch where you're going.
He going to stand back up.
I know your shoes are a little big.
What you looking at, Bean? You got anywhere you want to go specifically? Got Japanese garden.
Oh, okay. Careful. Good job. I know, your shoes are a little big. It's a little throwing you off.
Pants be riding low, like Depot,
I feel like I should go get a change of clothes out of it.
M. Dot. I'm so glad we came today. We found some babies. Some little baby geese. And it's a mom, and I think that's mom and dad, and they're walking them together. Aw, they got 4 babies.
5.
5? I see 4.
It's 5.
Oh, there is 5.
Look at the baby!
Geese don't care if you,
watching us.
you know, like most animals like won't let you get closer to kids. They're like, oh yeah, try me. Try. And there's a turtle just chilling out. And more baby. What the? What? All the water's getting out all the wildlife.
No. Leave the turtle alone.
You gotta let them.
Let's take a picture.
I'm already taking a video. He's got a mohawk. Punk's not dead, right, bro? Babies. Big babies. Bigger babies.
I'm not coming near you.
Bro. This is the most punk thing I've ever seen with botanical gardens. We got geese, who, you know, they're always about business. We got this turtle over here who has a mohawk. Can't really see. And then we got the crows that are just flying around. Poor little turtle's just chilling. He's like, I don't want to go anywhere. He's moving! He's moving! And then we got the babies. Oh, you left some. You left some babies. Oh, no, they're coming.
So we are done with bath time. He's in his pajamas. So the walk kind of peaked really early. Like we saw all the baby animals and the turtle. And then it started downpouring on our way back to the car. So we kind of just booked it. We all took warm showers and tubbies when we got home, huh? But yeah, it was a nice family walk tonight. So it was really fun. Say goodnight to the people.